Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a very nice emoji. Let's start the drawing. So I'm starting the drawing for the eye here. This is the left eye I'm drawing right now, and there are some water drops. You can see this guy is working very hard. All right, water drops. Let's draw a circle here. This is the tongue. Okay, now I'm going to use the bold lines on top for the man. I'm going to fill up the middle place here for the eye. Okay, some places are dark for the mouth. You can see here I'm going to fill up with a dark pencil. All right, the tongue, is going to be the red color. That's why I'm putting the shades of red here. Okay, the red is good. Red is good. And these drops, this is going to be blue color. That's why I'm putting the blue shades. Another blue is here. All right, so the basic colors for different parts is already done. Now I'm going to put a uniform bright color, which is bright green. Let's start it from the left side and putting the color all over the surface inside the bigger circle. The color is going on, looking good. Okay, alright, so this is looking good. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for new updates, and you can browse through our playlist, and you have lots of options. You can select through different categories. So playlist is a good options for the selection. As you know, it works like a content. Alright, so thank you so much. Have a good day.